Okay, good morning, dear friends and dear students. I am very happy that my students are following the instructions issued by the Government of India. Understand? You are doing it. You are continuously doing so. I am very happy. To use mask, very important in these days. So you are following this. So a matter of pleasure. Thank you very much. Now let us start our class of Pitman shorthand. So today we will go on the subject sun hook. So what is sun hook? Sun. Where in the last of the word sun is used, then for this purpose sun hook is used, and it is always used in the final of the word. It is used on the basis of an hook. It is larger than an hook. It is larger than an hook. So it is used on the so many grounds. Number first, sun hook is used when the words are ended with so like these. When the words are ended with these consonants, then sun hook is used. Number first. It is used when vowel used before action, like that, action. Action. It is the vowel, or it is sun hook is used just opposite of the vowel, like action. So here is the vowel and it is used just opposite. Caution. So it is used caution. Right? Vowel is here, sun hook is here, and vowel is here, sun hook is here. Next, it is used in all consonants, like straight strokes and curves also. Fashion. S is also added if occurs. Fashions. So raise this fashion, and when occurs S also, it can be added in the sun hook, right? Mission. Here we can also use S also if required. Motion. Motion. So sun, 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 right? And sun hook is used. Sun hook is used in the curve just opposite of the straight stroke, like when it is used, when curves followed by straight stroke, then opposite of curve is used, selection. So here is the curve, it is just opposite. Notation. Notation. So here is the curve, just opposite of the curve. So we may use here selections S also. We can use this also. Sun hook is used. This S is used in the sun hook. Option. Option. Occasion. Occasion. Passion. Logician. Just opposite of the curve, it is used in straight stroke. Logician. We can add S also, logicians, if required. Gradation. It is just opposite of the hook also. So it cannot be combination of the both hooks. Hence it is used just opposite of the hook to hook. Sun hook is also used. Sun hook followed by S or NS circle. S or NS circle, like decision. When S is followed by circle, sun hook, then a small hook is used. First we use DC, then decision. It is used decision. We can use also decisions. We can use as also if needed. अगर हमको एस की जरूरत है तो उसमें एस भी इसमें सन हुक में लिख जाए. पहले इसमें सर्किल लिखेगा, उसके बाद एसन, द सन हुक, देन एस सर्किल आल्सो. एक्सेशन, एक्सेशन. सो एक्सेशन, एक्सेशन, राइट. पोजीशन, पोजीशन, यहाँ पोजीशन. सो फर्स्ट सन, द सर्किल, देन सन हुक. सर्किल फॉलोड बाई सन हुक. ओके. सेंसेशन, sensation. It is our sense, then sun hook is used. Sensation. Transition, so it is our NS circle, transition, NS circle, then sun hook. We can use S also if needed. If needed, right? Now, sun hook is also used medially. Sun hook is also used medially, like additional. So addition, and we will come additional also. So add, we will add additional. So L will be used after sun hook. The fashion of sun hook will be used, then it will be additional. Then positional. 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 It is our position. Position. It is position, then downward L. Positional. Positional. Transitional. Transition, then L. Transitional. It is NS, then sun hook, then L. Transitional. Look here. Transitional. So it is transitional. Devotional. devotion, then devotional, actionable. So they use immediately actionable. Actionable. So action, actionable. So it is action B then L, actionable. It is the vowel after sunhook, then B complete, then L, actionable. So these are called as medially sunhook. So I have told this regarding sunhook, finally and medially as per requirement of the word concerned. जैसा भी वर्ड पर हमें ज़रूरत होगी उस तरह का हम सन हुक लगाएंगे, और सन हुक सन शन सन तीनों तरह से लगते हैं। वोवल से फिर रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, वोवल के जस्ट अपोजिट लगते हैं। जैसे एक्शन क्वेश्चन में नीचे से लगेगा, अगर कर्व के स्टेट हो, कर्व के बाद स्टेट है तो अपोजिट साइड में लगेगा। लाइक एक्शन, selection, like that. And I told you circle or array circle are used followed by sun hook, then first circle then sun hook will be used. I told that medially also, it is used medially also. First we will make consonant, then sun hook, then next consonant whatsoever. So I think these are the sun hook explained by me. You might be well known. If something is left, then you are again welcome to ask any type of question, or on my mail also. You can ask me on mail also. So I am writing this, however it is used. Email is used in this video. Anyhow, I am writing here also. It is Suman Sir 91@gmail.com. However, it is mentioned in the video also, but here I have written Suman Sir 91@gmail.com. So you can question me here also. So you are always welcome at any time. Thank you very much for the lesson.